What I have here for you guys is how to make a small pizza dough from scratch. So the first thing you're gonna need is white flour, 250 grams, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pork lard. That's optional, makes the dough a lot better. It's up to you if you have it or not. Yeast, half a tablespoon, and 150 milliliters of water. What you wanna do is mix all that together. You're gonna make a dough, and in half an hour it's gonna be ready if you want to make pizza right away. But if not, you can leave it in the fridge for overnight if you want to make the pizza like the next day. So lard is already in there, so now I'm gonna add salt, yeast, mix it, add warm water, add it all together, and give it a nice mix. So when you spend a few minutes of getting the dough ready, what you want to do is go like this, just finish her up in some flour so it doesn't stick. So basically this is what you're gonna get. Make a nice little ball, take this flour, put it right here, roll this in flour a little bit, keep it there, and you're good to go. Give it a half an hour or the next day and you're ready to go.